Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
Only one man is impulsive and powerful enough to move markets with his tweets, and that man is none other than Elon Musk. Musk has changed and has come a long way from the days he was this balding millionaire to now being a very cool, leather jacket wearing visionary centibillionaire. And not just that, Musk has mastered and learned to be skillful at internet pop culture and uses that knowledge to keep the hearts of amateur investors as well as professional serious investors thumping like mad. Just go through Musk's Twitter timeline. You will see GIFs or GIFs, memes and emojis being used very skillfully to impact and to move the markets of Dogecoin, Bitcoin, and even of his company, the electric car company that I'm talking about here, Tesla. So here are some examples of Musk's recent market wizardry via tweeting. Earlier in June, while talking about Bitcoin, Musk tweeted a heartbreak emoji and a meme referring to Linkin Park, the rock band, and the result: Bitcoin price dipped 6.3%. Then a few weeks ago, Musk tweeted a picture of a dollar bill with the face of a Shiba Inu, which is also the mascot of the Dogecoin cryptocurrency. After that, Musk's tweet nearly doubled the price of Dogecoin. This is particularly amazing given that Dogecoin actually started as a joke, but now investors are taking it seriously because it seems that Elon Musk has really taken a liking to this particular cryptocurrency called Dogecoin. Then there was that time that Musk didn't even need to use words. All he did was tweet 3 emojis. So the first emoji was one of 3 liquid droplets. The second emoji was one of a rocket, followed by an arrow pointing to an emoji of the moon. Investors took this to understand that Musk wanted this adult themed cryptocurrency, which was delicately symbolized by the 2 first emojis, which is the droplets emoji and the rocket emoji, that Musk wanted this particular adult themed cryptocurrency's price to rise up to the moon, like shoot up to the moon. The result? The price of this adult themed cryptocurrency rose by nearly 400%. However, not everyone is very happy with Musk's very cheeky use of Twitter to move markets. On the 5th of June, a video posted by the hacker group Anonymous said, "The games you have played with the crypto markets have destroyed lives. Millions of retail investors were really counting on their crypto gains to improve their lives." But Musk's Twitter fan base is so vast that 2 days later they came to the defense of Musk and started trending this hashtag #WeLoveYouElon, even here in India. A look back at Musk's tweeting shows that he really became famous in 2018 when he famously or infamously tweeted, "I'm considering taking Tesla private at 420, funding secured." What followed was in September that same year, 2018, the US Securities and Exchange Commission charged Musk with fraud for his tweet. The SEC said the tweet quoted a higher price for Tesla stock than its trading price and caused the share price to jump by over 6%. The result, Musk and Tesla ended up paying $40 million just because of Musk's tweet. It's also since 2018 that Musk's use of memes really started to increase and has amped up by 2021. For netizens, there's nothing cooler than memes. Netizens absolutely love memes, so that should also explain why Musk's fame has increased rapidly, especially in 2021. When Musk uses memes these days, particularly in 2021, he uses them to express his thoughts, his sentiments about cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Dogecoin. These days, Musk has cooled off on Bitcoin after finding out that Bitcoin mining, Bitcoin creation that is, was not energy efficient and hence is not very environmentally friendly. What Musk is into these days, however, is Dogecoin. He even tweeted recently that he bought some of the cryptocurrency named Dogecoin for his son, whose name, by the way, is impossible to pronounce. And also, here is Musk using a Lion King meme to symbolize that he was the one to introduce Dogecoin to the world. So, the question now is Musk actually serious about cryptocurrencies? Does he actually think cryptocurrencies have a future? Or does he think that it's all a big joke? Honestly, it's a little hard to tell. Recently, Musk also went on this massively popular American comedy show called Saturday Night Live and joked about how Dogecoin is a hustle, which means that it's a quick ploy to get rich by manipulating trading, especially given the fact that Dogecoin and all other cryptocurrencies don't really have any intrinsic value besides the value that it gains from being backed by famous people like Elon Musk himself. But you know what? To Musk's fans, none of this matters. The money does not matter. They are here to enjoy Musk's tweets and be inspired. As one superfan said, Elon, I love you because now I know that someone who likes nonsense memes can be a billionaire and change the world. Thank you for that. For The Print, this is Regina Mahindukulu Surya. Don't forget to subscribe to The Print's YouTube channel and keep tabs on us across all forms of social media.